Alright, we've got those O-rings on there now. Nice and lubricated. And the orifice tube down in there. And heard that click? Nope. Now we heard the click. Don't ask me what that's for, because it's just hanging down there, chilling. Probably supposed to be doing something, but who knows? Not me. Alright, so now we're gonna get to this accumulator. See all the rust, all the fun stuff. Probably original. That's okay. But we gonna change route. Check this out. Check this out. This one ain't got no rust on her. Who's your daddy? Alright, let's get this shit going. Alright, so what you're gonna need here is your adjustable hammer and 17mm. Y'all come around here a little bit. Bam! That's pretty loose on mine. I don't know how y'all's gonna be, but my accumulator's apparently been around a time or two. Make sure I twist all those wires up, that way they just pop off. I got a question for you. Did y'all disconnect your battery? Because I definitely did. Alright, gentle ladies and boys. So I don't know if you guys seen it, but this orange O-ring right here, that came out of chair. This is that pressure switch. When it gets under pressure, it gives, oh my god. But it tells that old thing, spinny boy over there by the belt. It tells that thing start making that cold air. Alright. So we got that all. Disconnect your electric connector. Because batteries are definitely disconnected. Alright. Adjustable hammer. Supposed to be adjustable. Come on, wait it. Why ain't this working? Kind of when they get lockjaw, you know? Kind of just work with them a little bit. Alright, look at that. Now we got an adjustable hammer. The key is to not break nothing. Other than breaking that nut right now. Chuka. My camera blurry. Oh yeah, we movie quality now. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Buzz that nut off, huh? Alright. Oh, look at that. Another O-ring. I'm gonna leave that one on there, that way I don't forget. Alright. Who lost my adjustable wrench? Where'd it go? Who's got it? Alright. Let me climb up here now. Remember, the key is not to break nothing. This stuff seems pretty flimsy now. Remember, the key is not to break nothing. Alright, let me get a better angle on this thing. Alright, who put this thing on there? That must have been me, huh? I about busted all 13 of my knuckles. Alright, I got a question, a little pop quiz in the comments. What's those little notches mean? I'll put it down in the comments. That way everybody else knows. 'Cause I don't. Only time I ever seen that is like on some argon when you got that left-handed thread where you can only use your left hand on it. Only time I done ever seen that, kid. Man, that thing longer than a horse maker happener. Alright now. We got an 8. And we got 11. Don't know if the 11's right, but it fit on there. We got that old breaker loose thing. Well, does what it's called. That old 11 millimeters. Got to get the old stubby on her. Sometimes the old breakers can't reach. That's okay, sometimes you just can't reach. Make sure you try to hit everything while you're loosening this up. Because if you don't hit everything, you ain't doing it right. And nobody said that, that's okay. Turns out I was going the wrong way this whole time. I'm just kidding. Y'all don't mind this stuff that's happening right now. Look what I found though. I just set that right there so I'll lose it. Alright now. Let me just go ahead and remove this. That's probably stripping, but it's okay. Ooh, that's a happy clamp. Set that right there and lose it right next to the next one. Alrighty now. Appears to have some type of love-hate relationship with the top and bottom clamp. Yep, found the hate part of it. Bum 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 bum. Who put that there? Alright, let's grab this, whatever that thing is. Grab that. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's another bolt on this side that I can't get to. It appears to be I can't get to. All I'm trying to do is bust a nut. Can't get it off. Now, where was I? About to bust a nut. So they call this part here the old accumulators. Apparently it's got one of them old filters in it. Maybe catches some water, who knows? But I know for a fact that it accumulates something. Maybe it's love and passion. Lust. I don't know, man. I just think it's factory soap. We gotta get this thing out of here. Had enough love and passion. It's all about wore out. So we're gonna get some new love and passion in this mug. Set that right there. Alright, yep, maybe not. Pick that back up. Keep on going. Oh, she getting loose. Set that over there. That wrench on that positive terminal. That way I'll kick it straight onto a negative and we'll be welding. Alrighty now. This thing should fall now. Yep, she done did faltered. Alright, so we got 210 or 211 millimeters. Straps on the bottom, and then there's an 8 millimeter on top. Holds the stationary piece. And this whole transformer looking thing looks like it'll steal my girlfriend. Comes out just like that. And I know it needs to be replaced because this one's about 3 pounds. And this one's about half a pound. What's inside of you, buddy? Hello? Nah. I don't know. Bye. I better go get that. Nah, I'm kidding. I'll just hit it with the lawnmower later. Woo! Alright. So I ain't gonna show you all this, but I'm just gonna replace all these gaskets. Remember that orange one? Got 1. You got 2. And you got 3. And if you're lucky enough like me, cuz, you got 1, you get 2, and you got 3. And you even get new caps. Alright. Alright, so accumulator came with 3 O-rings. 1, which actually came with a little baggie, so it came with 2, so it came with an extra one. New O-ring, new O-ring. Bam, bam. Wait a minute. We're not gonna have one on this side. Is that supposed to happen? That's supposed to happen? Why it hissing at me? Alright, I guess that's supposed to happen. Okay. But hold on now. I watched one of them YouTubes like y'all might be doing right meow. And they said apparently the longer you let this thing sit, the longer it's got time to absorb more stuff. So I'm gonna leave them caps on there for right now. One little moment. Put that oil over there so I spill it still. I meant. Let me do that. Nope, that's hot. Hot potato. Okay. Alright. Still gotta go down. Keep her going. Keep her going. Hush it up, duck. Alright. Now we gotta find our 11 millimeters. Say right there. See, we do that old reach around. I don't know if y'all seeing this, because I can't. Alright, look at that thing. Installed. Huh. That's all you had to do. Don't know. Alright. And I'm probably gonna do this wrong, but it's okay. It's all okay. Alright, who put that there? Alright, forgot y'all were here. So, I've got those two bottom 11 millimeter bolts stabbed. Not tightened, but stabbed. And now I just tightened up that other side of this accumulator. That way, we don't get to tighten everything up. And these don't want to line up.